Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cardano ADA daily update. We are going to see the next price targets. If you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe. Also join our Telegram group chat to get more information. So let's begin right now with the technical analysis. Thank you for watching. And of course, the next price target for this short term will be the 2.70 to 2.74. We will see more details in the price analysis. We had some support levels going on right there that you can see we stopped around the 2.38 2.37 support level and we climbed back up. Of course, Cardano didn't have a much of a correction, guys. It wasn't something important we should be worrying about. Just a cool off from this action right here. You can see on the 4-hour frame we just went, let's see how much up we went, 14%, almost 14% upwards in just 4 hours, because we are on the 4-hour frame on trading. Okay, and you can see the volume right now is increasing. Actually decreases a little bit as we go further upwards, but it remains perfect. Do not worry about that, because I get many comments saying that when the volume is going down, the price is going up. We have a bearish signal right there. Yes, it can be like that, but most of the times it doesn't work like the RSI burst divergence or something like that. Volume might go down, but the price will go upwards. Not worry about that. Let's see the MACD. The MACD here had a bearish cross, a bullish recross, and now we want to see whether we are going above this previous high right here. It would be very, very good if we can surpass this high right there, this line, and go all the way upwards. The blue line has to be above the signal line right here. Okay, so let's go to the risk metrics. The stochastic RSI was in an oversold situation right here. The reason we are seeing the stochastic RSI, as I've told multiple times in the videos, is because the stochastic RSI is the best on the impulsive waves. When we have the impulsive waves, stochastic RSI is the best because it goes quick into an oversold, quick into an overbought, and it can show us the bottom. Okay, so you can see right here it went into an oversold, same with the commodity channel index, but right here it was the only indicator to go into an oversold and then climb back up, while the other indicators were in around 57 for the RSI and around 24 for the commodity channel index. Anyway, they were inside this gray zone, so we did not have any oversold situations at all. 20-day EMA is above the 50-day EMA. We are looking good. We are just climbing the 20-day EMA stair and we go up, guys. It is looking fantastic right now. Let's go and see a little bit the daily frame. And on the daily frame, according to the SSL HYBRID, we had a buying opportunity, a nice buying opportunity, not a selling opportunity. Right here, of course, guys, we couldn't sell Cardano because it has gone in an impulsive wave. We didn't have any major correction to worry about or to lose some important support levels, so we knew that this was a healthy correction, as we said yesterday. The volume here is increasing in the daily frame. As you can see here, it is increasing. Might be decreasing on the 4-hour frame, but here it is increasing. Right now the volume is kind of low on the daily, on this daily, but anyway, guys, it is going up and up all the way as we are waiting the smart contracts for Cardano, and of course it is gaining so much strength right there. And the true value is at a Bitcoin chart that we will see afterwards. Right now we won't open the Bollinger bands, we don't need that. We need the daily stochastic RSI, of course, that you can see it didn't even go into an oversold, then we went up. The commodity channel index and the RSI have this pattern right here. We have this pattern when we have the impulsive wave mode. Okay, you can see that commodity channel index, the bottom doesn't even approach the bottom line of the commodity channel index. Okay, it stays up in near 100 and it goes upwards. That's what happens in an impulsive wave. This pattern is following right there. You can see that we get the commodity channel index above the 100 and the bottom is not even near the minus 100. The only indicator that can go near the oversold situation is the stochastic RSI, but even the stochastic RSI couldn't make it on the daily below the 20. It has such a strength right now that it could not go into an oversold. Then we had a pump up right there. Okay, so I will check the MACD as well in case we missed something. No, the MACD looks absolutely insane. You can see that by the time we surpass the all-time high for Cardano, we are going all the way upwards for the blue line. This is what we want for every altcoin, right? The blue line has had a bullish cross right there, and from the 22nd July, we haven't seen yet a bearish cross. For 1 month right now, we haven't seen a bearish cross on the daily frame for the MACD. Let's go to ADA Bitcoin chart. I will just redraw a new one in case we surpass the top line of the Fibonacci extension. So I will remove the Fibonacci extension and I will draw one Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top. And you can see that the next price target is right here, 0.405630. Okay, we have this price label because we divide Cardano's price to Bitcoin's price. That's why we get those many zeros, 5613, and you can see this is the next price target for Cardano. Okay, so therefore Cardano against Bitcoin can move even higher. On the weekly frame, actually no, I won't go now on the weekly frame, I will go afterwards on the weekly frame. We will go on the stochastic RSI that went into an oversold, you can see here, while the other indicators did not go. It is the same as we talked about, guys. It went into an oversold, so other indicators did not. So that's why ADA here, around here, didn't stop exactly at a little bit lower. Okay, didn't stop a little bit lower. This is the reason we just went into an oversold and we had a pump up. While on ADA Bitcoin chart, guys, you can see we had a clear oversold situation for the stochastic RSI, and therefore we couldn't let the price go down. Furthermore, ADA was about to outperform Bitcoin, and therefore we did it. Okay, so this is the next price target in case we go above the one. The next one is the 0.05829, as you can see here on your screen. And let's go a little bit to ADA Bitcoin chart. I will have the daily frame right here, and of course I will remove all the drawings. We do not need them. I don't want to stand on the daily frame more, as we are going good and we are heading perfectly fine. I want to go on the weekly frame to see that this is the real value of the ADA Bitcoin chart, not the ADA USDT. So you can see, according to the historical data, we had this high right here. ADA is doing the U shape, you can see the V shape as we call it, and we go upwards. Okay, so eventually we are on an impulsive wave mode and we are going all the way upwards on the weekly frame for now. And let's see if we have something to worry about. We do not have something to worry about for now, as we are going into an overbought on the RSI. But look at this, guys. Stochastic RSI was in an oversold. It was in an oversold situation for ADA Bitcoin chart, and now it is inside this gray area. So according to the RSI, the stochastic RSI can grow even more on the mid-long term. That is very good. Let's go now to the price analysis. I will have the Ethereum Bitcoin chart to tell you something that I really like. Okay, so on the 4-hour frame, I believe the next price target is around 2.70, 2.74, and we can approach this number. If you want some more, it is the 2.80 to 2.84, and then we have some other numbers like 2.90 and the 3 Tether USD. It is the minus 0.786. Can we go there? Can we go to 3 Tether USD? Yes, of course we can. And now we are going all the way upwards for ADA. Okay, so eventually the stochastic RSI is going upwards from now, and I think that we will surely hit the 2.71 to 2.74 for Cardano. Okay, so we have nothing to worry about right now. It doesn't look like we have any bearish signal right here. Of course, if you feel like there is a high risk, you can book some profits, but if you are a long-term hodler, then just hodl. Okay, so you can see that. Let's go actually to Bitcoin a little bit to see what it is doing. Right now it is finding resistance here as well, and the next price target for Bitcoin is around 50,700 to 51,000. That's the next price target for Bitcoin, right? And you can see that we have these price targets. We are now just correcting a little bit, nothing important at all for now. And the stochastic RSI, guys, is going down further down. You can see that on the 4-hour frame for Bitcoin, and this is a good scenario, because as the stochastic RSI is going down and the price remains just going sideways, it is very good to just have another push up, another pump up for Bitcoin. Okay, and let's see a little bit the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. On the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, you will see that, let me just zoom in a bit. We will see that we were going all the way downwards. Okay, we were going all the way downwards, and now we have the commodity. Actually, we had the commodity channel index below -100, the stochastic RSI, guys, in an oversold situation. So therefore, this is good. This is good because we might be getting a bump up soon right there. The only thing I didn't like right here is that we are going a little bit further down than I expected, but anyway, guys, do not worry about right now. Let's drop a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top, and you can see that now we closed a little bit below the 0.786, but now we are up again. I do not know what this will mean, but anyway, if I had to drop another Fibonacci retracement for more of a midterm, guys, and I would drop it from this bottom right here to the top we found. Okay, and you can see that we went a little bit down from the 0.5. It is very, very possible to find a little bit of a support at the 0.5 around there, guys, and then go upwards. Okay, so eventually we are going into an oversold situation, and that's what I like. On the RSI, we are getting some lower lows, lower highs, but as we are getting a little bit lower and finding support, then here we might be able to push up. As the Bitcoin goes sideways, we will be able to push up, and eventually all the altcoins will follow the Ethereum trend. Okay, so therefore, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Join the Telegram group chat, hit the like button, subscribe, because it helps so much with the daily updates. Thank you, and see you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.